If you find yourself having a lot of headaches in 2025, one of the biggest reasons investors find themselves having headaches when it comes to their portfolio, finding stocks with strong combinations of value, safety, and timing. Welcome to the channel. My name is Ryan. Always a pleasure doing these 6 p.m. videos. I figured the best way to start off 2026 was by building a strong foundation to utilize the VectorVest ecosystem to put you on the right side of the trade and find some of the best stock candidates out there. So whether you're new to VectorVest software, have never heard of us before, definitely stick around as we go through the ecosystem and show you exactly the power of our proprietary indicators and how they can put you in a better financial situation with your portfolio in 2026. In the VectorVest ecosystem, we're tracking over 9,000 stocks in the U.S. market, closer to 10,000 actually, 9,838. Now we're just looking at the top 5. The reason why these 5 are in the list, if I scroll over to the right, we can see VST. This is our master indicator of overall value, safety, and timing, the 3 columns before it. RV and RS are fundamental indicators, while RT focuses on the short-term price trend. It's a technical indicator. So we're getting a very well-rounded indication of this stock, both fundamentally and from the technical perspective. Now, these indicators, 0 to 2 scale. Above 1 is favorable rating. Further you get away from 1, it speaks to the magnitude of that rating. And of course, if the rating is below 1, the oscillation point, that is an unfavorable rating. So let's jump into one of the stock analysis reports. And if you want your own stock analysis report, just go to vectorvest.com/YTFSA. Now, if you already have access to the software, you want to check out a stock analysis report, simply right-click on that position. For tonight, we are going to choose Hecla Mining. Select View Full Stock Analysis Report. In the Full Stock Analysis Report, we will give a brief description here as well as price action. You can see the stock chart along with the industry graph. So that way you get a sense if the industry as a whole is moving in the right direction you want it to. Now, this does break down all of our proprietary indicators, but we're just going to focus on the initial ones here. RV, RS, and RT, relative timing. These 3 combined equal our overall value, safety, and timing rating, or VST. So let's take a look at these. Taking a closer look, RS is an indicator of risk. Hecla has an RS of 1.3, which is very good on a scale of 0 to 2. Now, RS is computed from analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance. Also takes into consideration things like debt to equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, and price volatility, along with other factors. So giving you a comprehensive view of the stock's safety rating. The next item we're going to cover is RV. This is not the same thing as our valuation. It looks at upside price appreciation potential. How does it do so? RV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. Hecla, great rating here, 1.66, excellent rating on the 0 to 2 scale. Now, this indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out compared to a AAA corporate bond. So it gives you a sense. Should you put your money in this stock, or is it likely to appreciate in value more in a AAA corporate bond? A very important question for investors going forward. As far as our technical indicator, RT relative timing, it analyzes a stock's price trend. Hecla has a relative timing of 1.95. It's excellent scale 0 to 2. So there's a lot of momentum. Think about it. The scale is 0 to 2, the rating at 1.95. So if you don't like a lot of momentum, that may not be for you. As you can see, computed from an analysis of direction, magnitude or momentum, and dynamics of a stock's price movement day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter, and year over year. Now, if the trend dissipates, the RT will gravitate towards 1, being a neutral rating. Now, when we put all 3 of these items together, if you found yourself frustrated in 2025 with your portfolio results and you want to enhance those, potentially making them better in 2026, give VectorVest a shot. For right now, 99 cents. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT to take advantage of this limited time offer. That becomes the master indicator, also known as VST. Master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. Hecla has a VST rating of 1.68, which is excellent. It's the highest in the database right now. Now, VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, RS, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combination of value, safety, and timing. So now that you have a little bit more insight on VST, let's jump back to these stocks and actually analyze them and see if they're going to be great opportunities in 2026. All right, just looking at the top 5 stocks in the VectorVest software, we've got Hecla Mining, Micron Technology, Anglo Gold, Harmony Gold, as well Gold Field. So you can see tech stocks, in particular memory stocks, Micron, making its way in the list with some of these other miners. The optimism, it's there today. Now, if we take a look at price and compare it to value, all of these stocks are undervalued, which is shown in the ratio here, value divided by price. Now, the most undervalued stock here is going to be Gold Fields, but a lot of these companies showing value opportunities. And on top of that, strong fundamentals across the board here, RV and RS, excellent ratings, phenomenal ratings here. Even the RTs, a lot of momentum in these hot stocks, bringing the VST's favorable ratings here, the highest in the database by recommendations across the board. Now, looking at the forecasted data, sales growth rate, earnings growth rate, the lowest number in the batch is going to be Harmony Gold, but still over 30% here on both categories, sales and earnings. Loving these stocks. So let's go ahead and jump in the charts to see if there's any opportunities with these positions. First up is going to be HL, Hecla Mining. The reason why I like top VST stocks, these are the type of stocks you typically get in the list. Lower left price action, upper right. Nice smooth price action, doing what we want the stock to do. Now, in addition to that, we do have our stop price here, the blue line, keeping us in the trade by recommendations for the last 6 months here. And down below, we have RT relative timing to just let us know if the trend is in the favor of the bulls or the bears. It's been in favor of the bulls for the last 6 months. And to make the stock even better, look at the forecasted EPS on the rise, nice, steady stair-step fashion. This is what we like to see in a graph. Now, in addition to that, if you want to find some value, you can always check off value here. You can see price action, chasing valuation, undervalued stock, exactly what we like to see. Now, as I scroll through the rest of these positions, we've got Micron here, very popular stock, buy rating in place, nice smooth price action, lower left, upper right, just hit a new high as of today. The company, we value at $503, only trading at $331. Price trend in favor of the bulls, and look at that earnings per share. Nice jump from the most recent earnings per share forecast. As I continue to scroll down, we see the common theme here. If I uncheck value, price action, lower left, upper right, rising earnings. That's what all of these stocks are going to exemplify. Now, Harmony Gold, a little bit more volatile, but overall, lower left, upper right. You see RT not as clean as some of the other charts here, but look at those earnings per share on the rise, and the stock currently valued at $34, only trading at 21, so showing some opportunities for investors there. And the last stock this evening, GFI, Gold Fields. Again, mining stocks are hot right now. Look, lower left, upper right. The stop price, the blue line, keeping us on the right side of the trade, buy and hold recommendations over the last 6 months. Even RT relative timing picking up some of this weakness in the short-term price trend as seen above in the price action of this position. But looking at the forecasted data, earnings per share on the rise, valuation $77, a stock greatly undervalued. Exactly why I want these type of stocks on your radar in 2026. So if you have access to the software, take advantage of some of the top VST stocks. And if you don't, just go to VectorVest.com/YT. We currently have a New Year's trial promotion, just 99 cents gives you 30 days access to the software. So if you found the video informative tonight, hit the like. And if you stuck around to the end, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see everyone Friday evening. Good night.